Hello everyone, this is Gitika Chawla from USPC Jain Public School and today we'll start exercise 6.4 of chapter 6 the triangle and its properties of class 7. In this exercise, I will explain one more criteria to you and we will observe here that the three sides which are given to us, that they are forming a triangle or not. See here the criteria. What is the criteria here? That means we are having three sides here. And what we'll do, turn by turn we will add two sides and we'll check their sum is greater than the third side or not. See how AB plus BC, I will add these two sides AB plus BC and their sum is greater than AC. In this way we'll check AB plus BC is greater than AC. Then I will take other two sides, that BC plus CA. BC plus CA is greater than third side AB. Then we'll take other two sides, means AB plus CA. Their sum is greater than BC. In this way we will write and we'll check. If the sum of these two sides is greater than the third side, that means it is possible that it is forming a triangle. If one side sum is not greater than the third side, that time the triangle will not be formed. So that means these observations suggest that the sum of the lengths of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. I mean to say that on adding these two sides turn by turn, mean to say all AB plus BC greater than CA, then BC plus CA greater than AB, then AB plus CA is greater than BC. Mean to be side by side on adding all these sides and will check that the sum is greater than the third side, that time the triangle will be possible, otherwise it is not. Now the question number 1, is it possible to have a triangle with the following sides? Mean to say here that it is not clear that with the help of these sides that it forms a triangle, but we will check with the help of this criteria. Means, so what we'll do here, first of all I will take these first two sides, 2 cm and 3 cm. So on adding these 2 and 3, I got 5 here, and we know that 5 is not greater than the third side. Mean to say here 5 is not greater than 5 because both are equal, so it is no here. Then what we'll do, I will take other two sides, that is 3 and 5. On adding 3 and 5, the addition is 8, but you can see here 8 is greater than 2, it is greater than the third side, so right here it is yes. Then we'll take other two sides, 2 and 5. Now the sum of 2 and 5, the sum is 7 here, and we know that it is greater than the third side, that is 3. So it is yes here now. Now you can see here on adding first two sides, the sum is not greater than the third side, 5. So it means here single time no, but two time yes here, but there is single time no now. So the triangle is not possible. Therefore this triangle is not possible. Now see the second part. We are having three sides, 3 cm, 6 cm and 7 cm. Again we'll check that with the help of these three sides we can form a triangle or not. Again see the same criteria will use here, that we will add 3 and 6. Their sum is 9 and it is greater than the third side, that is 7. Means 9 is greater than 7, so it is yes here. Then we will take next 6 and 7 two sides and their sum is 13 and it is greater than the third side, means 13 is greater than 3, so it is yes again. Then we will take other two sides which are left, 3 and 7. The sum of 3 and 7 is 10. Again their sum is greater than the third side. Again there is yes. Means now you can say here that again in each and every case there is yes. Means it is true here. So here the triangle can be possible. Then see here in third part we are having 6 cm, 3 cm and 2 cm, and the same criteria will check that the triangle is possible or not. See 6 and 3, their sum is 9 and 9 is greater than the third side, that is 2. Means 9 is greater than 2. Then we'll take next two sides, 3 and 2, their sum is 5, but 5 is not greater than 6, so it is not possible, no. Then take 6 and 2, their sum is 8 and it is greater than 3, so it is yes here. Now you will observe here there is single time no, but two time yes is there, but because of this single time no, the triangle is not possible. So in this way we will simplify the first sum. Now let's move to the second sum. In second sum, what is given to you that we are having a triangle PQR and one point O which is length interior of a triangle. So what is saying here, take any point O in the interior of a triangle PQR is mean to say here few points are given to us and we will check that it is possible or not, they are true or not, that we will check here. So first of all, what we will do here, we will join this one O with P, that is OP, O with Q, that is OQ, then O with R, that is OR. Means we will join OP, OQ and OR here. Then after joining, we will prove the other parts. See here, the very first one part is, he is asking, is OP. This one OP and OQ, means this one and this one. OP and OQ is greater than PR. You can see here in this portion only, in this portion. He is asking the sum of this and this is greater than third side. Yes, you can see here the sum of these two sides is greater than third side. So it is yes, and triangle PQR is a triangle. It is possible. Then same here, the second part OQ. What is OQ here? This one. OQ and OR, this one. Means OQ and OR, it is greater than QR. This is QR here. Again the sum of this side and this side is greater than this side. So it is yes, ROQ forms a triangle. The same here, the third criteria, third one part, OR plus OP. What is OR here? OR and OP. This one and this one is greater than RP. Now we'll check again. Now we'll see again this one part and this one. The sum of these two sides is greater than the third side. So yes, ROP forms a triangle. And in this way you can simplify this sum. Now let's move to the next sum. Question number 3. Here this one diagram is given to us and see what is asking here. AM is a median, means this one is the median of this triangle on the side BC and is going to divide in BC into two equal parts, means BM equals to MC. Here AM is the median of a triangle ABC, is AB plus BC plus CA, mean to say this one AB plus BC plus CA. All these three sides are greater than 2AM and this one AM is 2 times. You will see here that when we see this one greater than sign, that time you just observe that we will use that criteria that the sum of two sides is greater than the third side. We will use that one criteria here. So let's start this sum now. See, since the sum of lengths of any two sides in a triangle should be greater than the length of the third side, mean to say we will use that one criteria that the sum of two sides should be greater than the third side. So let's start it now here. What I will take here? I will take this one triangle ABM. See, in this triangle. So what we will do here? Now you can see here that AM is after the behind the greater than sign. So what we will do here? I will add AB and BM. Means AB plus BM is greater than this one AM. So right here AB plus BM is greater than AM and give it number 1. Then I will take other triangle, triangle AMC. In triangle AMC, again because AM is 2 times here na, so again AM will be on the back side of the greater than sign. Mean to say here it means here AC plus MC. You can write MC or CM, both are the same. AC plus CM is greater than AM. See here AC plus MC is greater than AM. Now and give it name 2. Now you will see that here AM is 2 times. So what we will do here? I will add both 1 and 2. It means here how we will add? We will add left side to left hand side and right hand side to right hand side. So what it becomes? AB plus BM plus AC plus MC. In this way, and greater than side, then AM plus AM. Now from right hand side you can see here that AM and AM, they are 2 times here, so it is 2 AM. And this shows that we have prepared our right hand side. Now I'll move to our left hand side. What I want? I want AB plus BC plus CA. Means AB plus BC, this one complete side. It means what we will do here? I am having BM and MC na, so I will add both to make this one BC here. And third one CA, and we are having already this one side also. So see what we will do here? We will arrange it. How? AB as it is. And other one is BC. For BC I want BM plus MC. So what we will do here? I will take BM and MC in one bracket, then plus AC as it is. Then Now we know that BM plus MC both are forming complete BC here. So write here on the place of BM plus MC as BC. So it becomes AB plus BC plus AC is greater than 2AM, and this is our 2 proof which we have proved, and in this way you can prove this one sum.